Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see ratio word problem questions. Now look at the question. The ratio of black balls to white balls 5:2. Ratio of black balls to white balls 5:2. How many more black balls do we need to add to make the ratio of the black to white? Here also black to white, here also black to white. Okay, how to do it in a simple way? First write it, black is to white. What is the ratio? What ratio we have to make it? 7:1. This you put it here. Okay. What is the previous ratio? 5:2. 5 black balls, 2 white balls. 5 times of, okay. So 5 plus x. Because why I put x? Because we are adding black balls more. Here 5 plus x is equal to 2. This is number of black balls added more. Have you understood, Varzana?
Yeah.
Get it? Okay. This x is, we have to find how many more balls. This is x. Okay, this is x. Okay. Black, white, 7:1. Okay. 2. You are multiplying by 2. So here also you have to multiply by 2. Why this one I am keeping as it is? Because here no ball is added. Okay, here no ball is added, so keep as it is. Here we added, so 7 times 2, it is 14. Why I multiplied by 2? Because here we have to multiply by 2, so here also we have to multiply by 2. Students, get my point? Clear? Now what to do?
Simplify.
What is simplify? Now what is our goal? Little louder. What is our goal? We need to find how many more. What is x? Okay. So 5 plus x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 minus 5. X is equal to 9. Clear? Are you clear?
Yeah.
Students, you get clear? First see it black, white, 7:1, 7:1. This is the previous ratio is 5:2. Why I put only 2, not 5? Because this 5 is going to be disturbed because 5 plus x is coming. White balls, nothing added nor deducted. So I am keeping 2 as it is. Clear? So this is this one. So this 14 and this 14, this 5 plus x same. So compare these two. 5 plus x is equal to 14. So the answer is 9 black balls. Okay. Do it. Copy down. Okay. Next, the ratio of black balls to white balls. I am making same type of questions. 6 questions, A, B, C, D, F. Okay. It is question number 1B. Same question. The ratio of black balls to white balls 3:1. How many more black balls do you need to add to make the ratio of black to white? You see it here also black to white. Here also black to white. Okay, write it, black, white, 7:1. black, white. Why I am doing repeating? To reduce the mistake. Okay. Okay, what is the new ratio, old ratio? 3:1. Here, what should I put? 1 only. Why? Because white balls not disturbed, black balls are disturbed. So here 1 times 1 only. So here what should come?
Also one.
Pardon?
Also one.
Times 1. Not 1, also 1. Also 7 you can say.
Yeah.
Clear? So here what to do? No, here we are not doing like this. Here 3 plus x is to 1. This one is irrelevant. Okay. Now what to compare? Tell me. What to compare? Now what is our goal?
To find how many more.
Black balls. To find how many more black balls, what is x? 3 plus x. Right? Right? So 3 plus x is equal to?
Sure.
So what is x? If you show the finger, suppose if there are 20 black balls, we have at 4 you can show. Okay. Tell me loudly it is 4.
4.
Okay, clear? Okay. Copy down, students. 1C. The ratio of black balls to white balls 3:4. How many more black balls do you need to add to make the ratio of the black balls to white 7:1? The same way, black is to white, black is to white. Here what to put? New ratio or old ratio?
New.
7:1, 7:1. Okay, how many more black balls? So here what to put? 4. I cannot put 3. Why I cannot put 3? Why I cannot put 3? Because black balls is added. This is going to be disturbed. So 3 plus x. Sorry. Here I am doing. We have to find out what it is. What it is? 7 times 4?
New.
Bit louder.
20.
Okay, here 3 plus x is to 4. What to compare?
3 plus x and 28.
Amazing girl, man. What you will do?
28 minus 3.
Bit louder.
28 minus 3 equal 25.
25. This you cannot show it in fingers. Okay? Copy down, students. Okay? Okay. Can you come and solve 1D? Please come. Come and solve it. Question 1D. The ratio of black balls to white balls. First write black and white. Amazing, yeah. Black and white. Okay, then amazing. Wow. Write it in the red ink. Okay, mark it in red. Okay, good. Next. Amazing girl. What to compare? Okay. Good, good. Okay, your question number, next question also please do it. Here some twist I kept. You are awesome.
So we're making it down?
Yes. Now where is your problem?
It's not adding, but it's
Adding in white balls.
here.
So in all the previous sum, you keep this 4 because black balls are added. Here what to do? White balls are added. So this ratio, this is not disturbed. Keep as it is. So what should come? 6. Okay? 3 is to 4 plus x. So this 4 plus x, this 6 you have to compare. Okay? You got my point? 4 plus, little move. Students has to say x is equal to 6 minus 4, x is equal to 2. Got it, my students? Copy down. Okay. Now look at this question. This question, please do it and send your comments, send your answers in the comment box. I am looking for it, please. On this necklace, the ratio of black to white bead is 1:3. Okay, I will help you a little. Black to white, black to white. What is the new ratio? 3:1. Put in both places. How many more black balls do you need to add to make the ratio of black to white is 3:1? So this is not disturbed. This is not disturbed. Right? So here you have to put 3. Here you have to put 3. Remaining things you please work on. Here something will come. Here something will come. Compare it and put the value. I am waiting for your answers. Okay. Now look at the question number 2. Same type. Mohammed and his friends prepare a picnic. Each one will get this. Mohammed is my student name. Each one will get 2 sandwiches, 3 chocolates, 4 water bottles. The children pack 24 sandwiches. How many water bottles do they pack? Tell me what to do. Each one will get 2 sandwich, 3 chocolate, 4 water bottle. 2, 3, 4. The children pack 24 sandwiches. That means number of children is how much? 12. Agree? So one child needed 4 water bottles. So how many water bottles they need? 12 times 4, 48. You be prepared, you are going to do 2 questions, okay? 2D and 2E you are going to do. Okay, right. Clear? Students, copy down. Next. 2 sandwiches, 3 chocolates, 4 water bottles. The children pack 26 sandwiches. So how many number of children is how much?
26 divided by 2.
You are doing very wonderful. 26 divided by 2 equal to 13. Okay. How many water bottles do they need? Then
13 into 4.
okay, water bottles, number of water bottles. Are doing very wonderful. Okay. 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 That is 2C, this is 2B. Okay, this one 36 sandwiches, 2 sandwiches. So 36 divided by 2 is, number of child is 18. How many water bottles do they pack? Can you tell me? 4 into 18, 72. Clear? Come for question 2D and 2E. Tell me, or you tell me from that.
Number of children is 24 divided by 4.
So 24 divided by 4 is 6. Okay. How many water bottles do they need?
Do we need a pack? That's also 6. 6 into 1.
Yes, 6 into 1. Okay. Maybe they are going hill station, so water bottles less. The previous area is a desert area. Okay, come here. Here, tell me.
The number of children is 24 divided by 4, 12.
24 divided by
2.
12. Then
How many chocolates? 12 into 3.
36. Agree? Okay. Copy down this one. This question 2F. Moment and his friends prepare a picnic for each one will get 3 sandwiches, 2 bananas, 1 chips packet. The children pack 45 sandwiches. How many bananas do they pack? This question number 2F, I need the answer. Question number 1F, I need the answer. Please work on and give your answers in the comment box. Thank you for watching my videos. I am planning to make about 10 videos relating to the ratios word problems. My question number 3, A to E, A to F, you will see in the next video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Enjoy the learning.